Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. This is the Ready to Form Voltron Part 5, maybe 6. Check the description below for the correct number. Today we're going to work on welding some of the pieces, the rest of the pieces for Voltron. We have some pieces down here that I need to weld together, and then I also have the COD front and back to weld together. Then I also have to weld the wings together. So let's get welding. Okay. That should do it. Okay, so I finished the parts that I wanted to weld, so now I have the front and back of the COD. I know I got to go back through and I got to pull off some more of these pieces. I'll just use my utility knife to get those off. So here is the front part. Here is the back part of the COD, which I'm probably just going to take some simple straps to wrap it around, like here and here on each side, and just have it go around to connect to the front, because there's not much really to the COD piece at all. And I got the two wings done. As you can see, here are the wings. They go like this on the back of the suit. They got some warping on there, but that's okay. I can always take care of that with some Bondo and some Bondo spot putty. So then I got to figure out how to attach these to the back of the chest, because there is a spot for it to go in, but I have to figure out how I want to attach that. I might CA glue, I might weld it, I might run a bolt through it, but I'll have to still figure that out. And finally, so now here is the chest with the lower part on there. So now it looks a lot better. It gives it more uniformity with the back, because before the back would just be that much longer. So all I gotta do is go through here again and re-strengthen any spots that need it. I don't think this one needs that much, but the back piece does need some more work to it. So that is it for right now. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and also don't forget to hit the thumbs up to let me know that you liked the video. Stay tuned for more, and thank you for watching.